So what's up, guys? Anyway, my cooler video that I made about a little over a year ago, that has turned into one of my top videos. I wear that in a fishing card that I made. So anyway, I'd give you a little update on this cooler that I had. I guess it's going on 6 years old because I think I bought it in 2015. But it's the Rtic 30. I think I got it for my birthday or some kind of crap like that, but it's starting to come apart. And I mean, it's been tortured for 5.5 years. And I just use it really as a lunchbox when I'm not fishing and stuff out of it. So anyway, where it's coming apart, I emailed Rtic and asked them what's the best way to fix this. They told me to use this marine caulk, really is what it is, but probably got it upside down. Yeah, marine caulk, marine adhesive, whatever you want to call it. And I'm out of work for a few days because of this Rona. They thought I had it, but couldn't find out I don't got it. But still, I got a sinus cold, and my dogs are going crazy. School bus. But anyway, I'm gonna try to caulk this thing up on video and see if I can get it fixed and see what happens. I don't think it's gonna hold, but I know marine caulk's pretty good stuff because I've used it on boats and stuff, and I put some LED lights up under a boat before, and I used it on that, and it's pretty sticky stuff. So I don't know, we'll see. That is darn near impossible to video and caulk at the same time. So anyway, this is the way I'm gonna do it. I got a little some little hand clamps I'm gonna put on there. Try to get some of this excess off after I get it clamped down. See where it goes. See how it does anyway. Maybe I can scratch some of that off after it gets clamped up. I guess I'm gonna do little sections at a time until I get it all caulked up. But anyway, this is what it kind of looks like. So far, so good. So this little glue up or caulk up or adhesive, you call marine adhesive, to put this cooler back together with, it's turning into a major pain because it takes 24 hours for it to dry, and I only got 2 clamps. So I started this yesterday. I thought I was gonna be able to just knock this out and be done with it, but that ain't the case. Anyway, this is day 2 of clamping and gluing until it dries and start over the next day. But I just about got it all the way around. Oh, that's pretty much done. I got this corner right here I gotta get. I got a little bit back there in the back and a little bit right there, but other than that, it's pretty good. I mean, it is what it is. It's putting the cooler back together, and anyway, see what happens. I'm gonna caulk it all back up, and then I'm gonna fill it full of water. It needs washing out. It's nasty. I spilled some leftovers in it the other day at work, and see if it holds water. It probably won't hold water, but I really just want it to hold a little bit of ice and cold beers when I go to the beach. I'm going soon, so maybe catch a few reds or trout or something down there on the beach. But anyway, I will bring y'all back to do a final glue up, and we'll go from there. How about that? All right, I about got this thing finished up. Looks like crap. I'm gonna try to cover all this little white stuff up somehow or another with either a paint marker or something. I'm gonna try to get it camouflaged back up where it don't look so bad. But that's my last little bit right there. Hopefully it all works out. It's better than it was. Just as long as it holds for a little while. If I can get another year out of it, I'll be good to go. But hanging out in the garage, just piddling. But anyway, I'll bring you back when I fill it up with water and see how it turns out. But anyway, that's what we got. Here we go. Let's see how this thing turned out. It looks like crap. I can't stand that white. It wouldn't be so bad if it was a white cooler. But anyway, I believe these little old clamps they're holding up pretty good. Did pretty good on the inside. Maybe it'll hold up for a few more years, or a year. Either way, it's good with me. Too darn cheap to just buy and go. Another one. I ain't buying no $400 one. Hate it. Not for what all I put them through. Anyway, go wash it out and fill it up with water and see what happens. I filled it up with water. Let's see what happens. It's leaking a little bit. Ain't leaking a whole lot right there. But I really don't care. As long as it holds a little bit. Still got fishing lures in the back of it from where I went fishing the last time. Pompano rigs. Surf fishing. Love it. Well, hey. No cheap caulk up fix. Maybe it'll work. We'll see. If not, probably just have to buy me another one. Those coolers lasted a good while, so I got my money out of it. I'll probably buy another Rtic, because this one has been torture tested. So y'all have a good one. Well, anyway, we got the cooler back cleaned up, ready to go. And I get over all this cough and crud, get out of this house a little bit. I'm gonna guess go back to work. But if you will, like, comment, please give me a hard time about my cooler or something. I'm okay with it. But anyway, here it is. Maybe it'll hold up for another year or two. Maybe going somewhere. Have a good one.